What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Mana for the Soul. I'm Nilam.
I'm Monica.
And I'm Amira.
And today we're making quiche.
This is a easy 6-ingredient quiche.
It only takes 20 minutes to make and it's one of my favorite dishes.
I actually have to make this a lot for my husband because he requests it. So let's get into it. So our first ingredient is the crust. You can pick whatever crust you like. The one that I choose has no pork in it, and that's important to me. Also, if you're about that life, you can do homemade crust, but I'm all about a nice, quick, and easy meal, and that's what we're doing right now.
Yes.
We also have soup. This is cream of potato soup. There's actually 3 soups that I use for quiche. It's cream of potato, cream of broccoli, or cream of celery. My favorite and my husband's favorite is cream of potato. We also have milk.
Cup and 1/4.
Yes, and we have 2 eggs. We have pepper, we have our salt, we have some garlic salt, and of course we have our garlic of Eden. I actually don't cook anything without this. So.
Yeah.
We also have spinach and broccoli. This is about 2 cups of each. And we're just gonna saute that over some oil and season it to taste. And then we will layer our quiche. So let's get into it.
I'm excited.
I totally forgot the most important ingredient. Freaking cheese. Hello.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you?
Ain't no quiche without no cheese.
Period.
Duh. Now let's get into it.
All right, it's time to cook our spinach and broccoli. Just want to saute it and just cook it down just for a little bit. And we're putting some seasoning in here, right?
Yes, I'm gonna start with the salt. I literally just cover over. So you just do it to taste. This is what I want it to taste like. This is some garlic salt.
More garlic.
Yummy.
And then what else is there?
Black pepper. And we're gonna end it out with garlic of Eden from floraandmana.
The best seasoning in the world. That looks beautiful.
And then just mix it up until it's like soft, sauteed, and we get that smell. That's
So
like,
we're
yes.
Yeah, we're sauteing this for about maybe like 3 to 4 minutes, maybe.
Yeah.
3 to 4 minutes of medium-high heat. So while this is sauteing, I do have a question for y'all. Where is a place that both y'all have never been to, but you feel like you have a connection with it? I can name one.
Okay.
So personally, for me, is like the ocean. I don't know. I'm gonna say this. I am drawn to the ocean. Like, I am so drawn to the ocean. Seriously.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. Ever since I was a little girl.
She's Moana.
So what do you mean never been to?
Like, period. Just you haven't been to that location, but you're drawn to it. You're something about it. You feel that there's a connection to it with you.
Is it weird if I say
No, it's not weird because that's you.
I'm drawn to 5-star hotels? There's just something about it that calls my
But you
name.
haven't been to a 5-star hotel before?
What are you, broke?
Oh yeah, I have.
Well, I haven't been
You
to
haven't been to the ocean?
You got me. You got me.
no, period. Like going underwater?
in it?
No.
Oh, you mean like in it? Never in my
No.
life. No.
Yeah.
Like in a submarine?
I want to
Yeah.
add some butter, just because I do. You can put all of this in.
Butter's always better.
That's a good question. Drawn to I just
Never
want.
been there.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5-star hotels is a good answer.
I mean, of course, I've been to a 5-star hotel, but I haven't been to everyone. This is starting to get that smell.
Yeah, actually it looks like it's pretty done, right?
Yeah.
So
That's
yeah.
it. So
There you go.
we're gonna add this to a bowl, and then we're gonna start on our soup really quick. All right. So now we are doing our soup. We're just gonna put our cream of potato soup in the pot.
And we're just warming this up?
Yep.
Okay. I'm excited. I never made quiche before, so.
And then the only thing you want to do is literally just stir this until it's nice and warm. And then we're gonna literally pour it in with our broccoli and our spinach. So we just poured our cream of potato soup into our broccoli and spinach. And then we cracked 1 egg and mixed it all up. And we are going to add 1 more egg. And I'm gonna mix that up. And then we are also gonna add some more salt, pepper, and garlic of Eden.
Okay, so some pepper,
Yep, salt.
just a little salt. You know, actually what I love about this recipe, it literally you throw everything in one pot and just put it together. Like, it's so easy. So when we're saying 20 minutes, it's literally taking only 20 minutes.
And we wanted to add seasoning because naturally we just added like a lot of stuff to those vegetables, and we don't want it to lose its flavor. All right, you can go ahead and grab the crust, Amira.
Nice.
So we're literally going to take our mixture and pour it into our crust.
So you just divide this recipe into two crusts, okay?
Yes, and I rarely have some left over. Sometimes it's like, oh, this filled up quite a bit. I don't need to put the rest, but
Yeah.
I just will gauge it based off of dividing both of them.
Yeah. And I love that it's full of veggies and just, this looks delicious. It's a perfect vegetarian meal.
Yes, and we've had our oven preheated at 400 this whole time. We are going to put this in the oven, and we will, it's kind of like macaroni and cheese. We're gonna wait for the cheese on top to be nice and brown. Well, for me, nice and brown. You might want yellow.
You don't want that.
But I don't want that, and I don't think you do either. So now we're just gonna put our cheese on top, like a layer.
Nice.
And then once you cook it, once it's ready and you see that nice brown, I actually let it sit for about 10 minutes. Just because if you cut right into it, it spill out. But if it sits for a second, then you'll have like a perfect slice of a quiche pie.
Let it settle.
All right, so we're gonna put this in the oven. This is our before. We'll show you the after. All right, so our quiche is done, and we are about to cut into it and take a bite.
Wow, that looks so good.
Yeah, super pretty. I'm ready to take a bite. Let's cut into it.
Yeah.
We will cut into this one.
So I think it was key what you said earlier, making sure you're letting your quiche sit and allowing it to settle, because now you can actually get those perfect slices.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you cut it a little too early, it'll just like kind of like
Melt. Or,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Look at that. Beautiful.
That's perfect.
my favorite part of the quiche. This is stupid, but it's here.
Yeah, me too.
All that? All this?
Yeah,
I like the bottom.
Really?
when you get to right here and it's the crust and it's like,
Let's dig in.
Let's dig in? Okay. Cheers. Wow.
thank you very much.
Yum. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's so
I'm not
good.
even lying.
It's
so
good.
good.
It's simple. It's easy. And I make this a lot because of my cheese.
Wow. Okay. The cheese on top, it has a nice texture. It's like firm.
Yeah.
It's seasoned perfectly. All the vegetables is cooked with the sauce, so it's like a nice blend.
Yeah.
And I like that you use spinach and broccoli.
Right.
The potato, I never tasted it with the potato.
So that was an accident. So I always use cream of broccoli soup. Always.
Or celery.
Or cream of celery. Cream of broccoli is the best. One day I accidentally grabbed the wrong soup, like you did, with how you grab cream of mushroom. I'll never do that. But anyways, I accidentally grabbed this soup and made it, and we were all like, this is bomb. And so now my favorite is cream of potato, but then cream of broccoli is second place, and cream of celery is third.
Yeah.
And if you like mushrooms, maybe cream of mushroom will work.
It's giving me a veggie pot pie feel because of the cream of potatoes. Because that little bits of potatoes, like
Yeah.
it's nice and
It's
comforting.
perfectly seasoned.
This is how we
Okay.
felt about it. But the crust is, that part was hard. But
Yeah, but don't take our word for it. Literally make this. It's going to take you 20 minutes to make this
so
happen.
easy.
Seriously.
So easy.
Dude, this is literally perfect. Like,
No, and also you can bring this to any potluck and it'll be gone.
I do.
No, literally. Wow, the people.
Shout out to my mom-in-law for teaching me the recipe, and
Yeah.
like,
Subscribe.
comment.
Bye.
Love you.